Today I want to show you my Flavor God seasoning delivery. I used to live by this stuff when I was competing, and I decided to order it again because it is low sodium. A lot of these flavors I have used in the past, and I also added a lot of new ones, some hotter, spicier ones. These are the ones that I've used before: the everything, the garlic lovers, and this one's new, Fiesta sweet and tangy, everything spicy. That's the third one that I've used before. These other ones I have not. These are dairy-free, gluten-free, keto, kosher, low sodium, paleo, vegan, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. I like that it's low sodium and they taste so good. It's so finely milled. I got these other habanero and ghost seasoning for my boyfriend. He likes the spice. And hot wings, I think I would like that one. So I'm not opening them all at once. The everything I got 2 of because I go through it so much. And I'm gonna leave a link below for you. They are great on proteins, tofu, veggies, and here's one I used to put in my oatmeal: chocolate donut. Enjoy!